Did you hear the exciting news from Dixie Belle Paint? We have 5 brand new colors being released this month, May 2026. And to celebrate, I am going to show you one of those brand new colors today on an amazing piece of furniture. So grab a coffee and let's get ready to play with some paint. This round cabinet is super cool to look at, but it does have some damage on the top and it is not made from real wood. So what's the plan for this piece? We are going to add a brand new color after we do some proper prep. As always, I begin by cleaning my piece inside and out with white lightning. This is going to degrease and degloss the piece and get ready for paint. I also sanded down the top of this piece where the veneer had bubbled up. Cleaning your furniture before you paint is essential to getting the perfect paint finish. This piece was missing some hardware, so I took off all the hardware and I'll be replacing it with new hardware. Let's talk a little bit about proper prep. Proper prep means priming your piece before you begin to paint. Since this piece is made from an MDF board, it's slick and shiny. I will use 2 even coats of Bonding Boss, waiting 24 hours before I begin to paint. This is a brand new, beautiful color called Kindling. It's rich, it's deep, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Using a smooth synthetic brush and a little bit of water in a spray misting bottle, I will apply 2 even coats to this tiny table. This chalk mineral paint has 0 VOCs. It's safe to use indoors and around your pets. This tiny table will be super simple and only one color, but I will be adding a transfer to the top. I always use a spray misting bottle when I paint on my chalk mineral paint. It really helps keep the paint thinner and eliminates any brush strokes. I love using chalk mineral paint. This versatile paint elevates makeovers with its smooth and flawless finish. You can simply seal this with Dixie Belle's clear wax or any one of the clear coats. For this tiny project, I will be using Dixie Belle's Satin Clear Coat applied with a dampened blue sponge. This simple top coat goes on milky and allows you to see where you've applied your top coat to the table. Once it's dry, it will be totally clear and have a beautiful satin finish. I had 1 sheet left over from a beautiful bells and whistles transfer. I'm going to apply it to the top corner to give it a little pop of color. I then attached the beautiful new gold hardware to the front. I have a feeling that this new line of chalk mineral paint is going to be very, very popular. This curated collection is deep, rich, and beautiful. And look at that beautiful satin finish shine. All thanks to a little bit of TLC and Dixie Belle Paint products.